Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Toshiba TV if it has no sound. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Just basically unplug your TV from the wall, wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This will reset your TV. Now this is a lot different than switching the remote on and off, so do it from the wall plug. If this worked, great. If not, this last thing we're going to show you will almost definitely solve your problem. However, it is a factory reset and will erase all your settings and apps. For most models out there, including the Fire TV, to do this, you would press the home button, go to Settings, select Device and Software, and then reset to factory default. For some other Insignia models, you can use the instructions listed here. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.